यो गाइस, मेरी यूट्यूबर्स के आर्ट कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करके उंगली करने की आदत तो नहीं गई, बट वन मोर आर्ट कंपटीशन इज अराइव्ड। सनी आर्ट्स यूट्यूब पे भाई के अभी 40 के सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए हैं। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बाय द वे, एंड आई पार्टिसिपेटेड सनी आर्ट्स आर्ट कंपटीशन। तो मैंने आउटलाइन ऑलरेडी ग्रिड मेथड से ड्रॉ की है। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर टेपिंग।
Wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative.
Taping is done. कलरिंग के लिए मैं डॉम्स 24 शेड्स कलर पेंसिल्स एंड 14 शेड्स वाले ब्रश पेन्स यूज करने वाला हूँ। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बाय द वे, रेफरेंस इज ऑफ 7th होकागे उजुमाकी नारुतो एंड रेफरेंस में ओनली फेस पेंटिंग है। इट्स गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट क्योंकि बहुत सारे कलर्स यूज करने होंगे।
I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
पहले तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि फेस पे कौन सा कलर है, सो आई ट्राई डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑन दी अदर पेपर एंड देन बाय मिक्सिंग 2 different colors I did it.
Not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh,
वैसे वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर देना।
suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment 'cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again.
आई एम टोटली एग्जॉस्टेड, बट कंप्लीट तो करना पड़ेगा ही। मैंने कोई मार्क्स नहीं किए, जस्ट रेफरेंस ऑब्जर्व करके कलर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ। सो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, सो लेट्स स्किप समथिंग। आफ्टर सो मच डिटेल्स सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड बचा है। After removing the tape, I am done. Sayonara.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need